Alright, so I've got the tub out of this thing. What we're going to replace is the pulley for the belt. And I have the new part right here. And I've already removed this little plastic triangle. You can just stick your little screwdriver or pin behind there and pull it out. It just pops on a little groove right there. But as you can see on the old one, it's just metal's gone on the inside of it. It was completely ate up. And instead of just replacing this plastic, we're just going to replace the whole thing because it's only just one Phillips head screwdriver. One little screw right there that holds this whole thing on. That's the beauty of a Samsung. People can talk what they want, but all it takes to get inside of it and fix it is one Phillips head screwdriver. So pretty easy if you ask me. So what we're going to do, let me turn my flashlight on and make it a little easier. Alright, so all you're going to want to do is there's a Phillips head screw right here. We're just going to remove this screw. And there's a spring holding on right here. Let's go ahead and remove this spring. Alright, so as we can see, let me show you here. This part right here is where the actual roller is, where the belt goes around, and you can see it just demolished this thing. So what we're going to do, so you've got our new one, it's got a piece of tape over the bolt here that we're going to have to remove. Alright, so I'm just going to flip this thing over, and I'm just going to use my screwdriver and rip this tape off. I don't want to go find a knife or something. Okay. So what we're going to do, all you have to do, make sure it's, you can see good enough. We're gonna go ahead and get this on here. There's a groove right here that you can see. That little metal slot just fits right into. Alright, so once we've got the hole lined up, you can go ahead and start your Phillips head screw. All you want to do is make sure this is underneath the belt sensor there. You don't want it too tight. This is why I did that to demonstrate. You don't want to put it so tight that it can't spin. You just want it loosely. But you want it snug at the same time. And this spring right here, all we're going to do with this spring is it hooks on the inside right here. Just like so. And you're done. We're going to put the jar back together now.